Y'all, what's going on? It's your girl CeCe, your realtor. I am here on this beautiful Tuesday morning. I have two showings today. One, they're not too far from each other. The buyer is really into home that's closer to her job. I don't blame her. Okay, so we are about to go to the first showing. I'm actually in the parking lot waiting for them to come out, because one thing about a realtor, when you're doing a showing, you got to make sure you get there before the buyer. Okay, so I am on my way now to the property. The community is super nice. It's Alden Ridge. It's here in Boynton Beach, Florida, 33437. It's not gated. The house is listed for $550, and she's ready. She likes the community, and it's like literally right, not too far from her job. So let me show you guys real quick what the community looks like. Hang on. This is where we are now. Let me lower my radio. We're gonna drive back there. I believe the home is somewhere in the back. Okay, see, the homes are very nice. The HOA is super low around here. I believe it's under $250 a month, so it is not bad at all. Let's see, I don't know if the listing agent is here, but we shall see. Yeah, so we are going to park and wait for the buyer to get here. So guys, this is my buyer, and she's gonna go see the house. How are you feeling right now? You excited to see the house?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. This is our husband over there. All right, guys, we are here. This is the house. This is the entrance of the house. This is the living room. The showing went well with my buyer, although the house is super small on the inside. I don't think we are going to move forward with it. We have another one at 2:30 after I get the girls from school. We're gonna go straight over there to look at the second home. So hey, it's me again. What's up? Welcome back. So I am now at the second home. It is right now, the listing agent just pulled in. I'm waiting for my buyer to come. They're driving around. We still have a few minutes. It's at 2:30 and it's 2:25, so we have 5 minutes. So I'm just gonna wait for them, and you know, when they're ready, we're gonna go in and I'm gonna show you guys what the inside looks like. And the community is very quiet. We've been here many times before. It's not so bad. wrap. It's a wrap. We are done here. It's 2:45, almost 3 o'clock. We are done, I think. They're talking about let's do another one, so we'll see. All right, it's a wrap. So I'll see you guys later.